Hello, my friends. How are you? How's everything? I hope you all are doing great there. And today I have a new video for you. So in this video, we're gonna talk about uh, Reality Engine and Unreal Engine as we done before. So today I'm gonna talk about ZD component, and this is the Pi component that ZD have. uh, so I will show you how you're gonna animate and how you can set up that. So let's begin. Okay, first I will create a new blueprint actor. I can give it bp underscore pie chart. Okay, in this we can go and we can add ZD component to bring in Reality Engine and ZD Pi component to set up the Pi. This is our Pi that will come with nothing because you will have to set up it here, and we will have different ways to do it. uh, I will show you the simple way. Then for the next video maybe I will show you other steps how you can set up that. So today we're gonna talk about this. Okay, let's set up this. We have this pi and we have radius, height, resolution and total weight. And one thing to keep in mind, whatever element you have in this pie chart, we have slices. Slices mean you have array element. An array element, you can add them as much as you want, but they all should be divided by 100. For instance, you have uh, 4 element, they all should be divided by 100, like 100 divided by 4, so each will be divided by 25. This means you have 25, 25, 25, like this. 4 slices that would be divided by 100. Okay, uh, let's do it. Okay, this is the side material. Side material you can put as you want, and these are the slices we have. The main thing is to animate them in event graph. You need to do it. We have two ways to do it. First way is you can animate them by you can get or set them by their name that we have here, and other way is you can set them by their index. So I will show you both ways, but in this one I will show you the name one, because for instance we have this slice, and we have add them here, and it's not appearing because we have 4 slices and each slice have 50%, so it's become 200. We need to keep it in 100. 25, 25 and 25, and there is another one. Okay, these are 4, 25, 25 and 25. They all have 4 value. It's 25. See, when it's went above 100, it will not showing you here. It will not show up here. uh, okay, let's give them slice 1. As you know already, array start with the 0 element, so you have 4 element that would be start from 0 to 3 in here. I will make also these videos. If you have anything to ask me, you can ask me, and you can ask me to make the videos as you want, and inshallah, and I will do my best to make you understand. If you have any confusion about variables, blueprints, and anything, these will be in the future coming. These all video will be in the future. I will make them in the future. Okay, let's make that one that we were talking about. Let's try to give them a name, easy name, so that will be easy for us to put them together. So slice one, this name is very important to animate them. For slice one, we will put S1. mm, S1Y. I will select this yellow material in it. Okay, and the slice 2, same thing, just change the material yellow to green, and this one orange. Just change this variable to, sorry, this name to G for green, and orange for O, simple name so that we can put them easily. This will be blue, like this. Okay, 25, they are not appearing because there is something, that's why it's not appearing, because we have 25 here, and is another one, 25, 25, and this is 100. Okay, total weight, it should not be 25, it's 100, because maybe you can do it more than 100. Okay, I didn't have any idea about this, so that's good. That's very good. So we have you can put as much as you want, it's very nice. So for instance, you have 1000 element, you can take the 1000 element here, and you can take the array and get them from the array. So we will keep it 100. I didn't know about that, so this was I just know it, that it can go above 100. So just keep this in mind, whatever value you have, you should be your value should be inside that value, inside it, not above than this value, total weight. Weight should be in below this weight, and or maybe you can say in another word, every weight that you're gonna put them here, they all should be divided by 100, or whatever value that will be here. So let's set up this in event graph. To set this up, I don't know, this one, bring this pie, and this is an variable of that pie. The pie chart we have, this is the variable, the component, this component, I made them as a variable. So you can drag anything, you can get anything or set anything by sorry, you can set this, you can set any value that you can see here in this pie chart. You can set them and you can get them also. But for now, for our concern is we want to set these values. We don't want to get them, because when you will get you will get the same values that we have. We don't want to get them. We want to set this value because we want to animate them. Okay, let's set them. We want to get we want to set slice, set pie set pie slice by name and by index. As I said, we have two ways to set them: set pie slice by name, set pie slice by index. Not these two, because it's a call function. Because we don't need them. We need to set this function. We need to get set this function, set pie slice by name and by index. We have to index and name. We want to set them by name. The name would be this name. In 0 element, we want to put this, and you can take the copy. Keep in mind that I am just doing it because I don't want to do another way to keep it simple. I am doing because when you have more than 1 or 5 object, my opinion, you should do the array version. I mean is you can get slices, get slice array, this one, and you do this by like this. Okay, but I'm not doing it because we have the same value. Even we can do this easily by for each loop, but I will show you this one for in the next video, just to give you an idea how we can set up the spy. Yeah, I will keep the simple, then we will do another thing in the later videos. Okay, this is a target actually. That's I just copied them, that's why I need to connect them. And the slice name s1, the other one was what was the name? 4 slices we have. Okay, s1 yellow, s1 green, s1 orange, s1, just change the last one, green, orange, and this blue. Okay, this is a structure value that is coming from it. Any, you can have these all values, and this is the structure of them. When you will make ZT slice, you can see you have all the values that we have here. Radius, okay, they didn't give the radius here. We have sorry, these all values, because this is the total weight. It's not, we are not getting this one. To get this one, we need to set total weight like this one. If you want to set that value, you need to get get or set total weight for the ZT5. Okay, this one, but I'm not going to do this. So we will set this weight and material. Okay, and this one we have slice 1 yellow, and we will set yellow material here. Same thing, we just copy name and paste name, and same thing here, copy name and paste them here. Sorry, copy and paste them here. Okay, now what we need to do, how we can do the then animate, how we can do this animation. What we need to get we need to bring even begin play. When even begin play, I want these spies to animate, because, or maybe we can stop it when even begin play. I will show you how. You can do timeline, any kind of animation. I will, if you have any question, please ask me, because uh, I have just started to make videos, so I have also no idea how we can do the best one. Your suggestions will be uh, good for me, and any kind of questions you have about Unreal Engine or Reality Engine, ask me and I will try to give you an answer. Okay, these in the timeline, sorry I didn't tell you, this is the timeline we have. You can rename it as you want, but I'm not okay, so let's do this by animation. Okay, double click on it. When you go inside it, you will find float value, vector value, and event track. And this is the event track you when you want to do the animation on event track. This event track will be in the sequencer, so this is not we want. This is the colors. You can add them. You can add colors, vectors, floats, whatever you want, they all will appear here, and you can do as you want. If you want to animate the color, you can get it from here. If you want to add the float values, you can sorry, if you want to animate the float values, you can do it here from here. So we don't need all of them. I'll delete them. We will create only float. Okay, just add key on 0 time. You need to have 0 value, and when you want to, sorry, when you have another key, it put it on the value 1 and time 1. Okay, put time 1 and value 1 also. Zoom it, and autoplay, just check them. Not this one, we don't need them. If you want to make them smooth, you can do user. Okay, by this it will be smooth. And we have another option. If you want to make a nicer curve, or if you want to add the nicer curve here, you can do it from here. Where it is, it's miscellaneous. This is the curve we have, and you can get float curve, linear curve, whatever you want. See, these 3 curves we have, and we have good control in it. When you will create them, you can get them in your in the graph that I showed you here. you can see we have this here. You can get them here by making this in curve, sorry, by doing this by how we can say, this is the curve we have, this is another one, another process. You can do it. We don't need it, we don't need this one. Let's save it. Okay, let's try to animate them. Okay, when event begin play. Okay, I don't want to do this way. When event begin play, I want to play from start. Okay, I will show you why I'm doing this. Let's connect it here, and this value doesn't matter, whatever the value is, because we will put our own value as we have in our graph. As I said before, that we have uh, we have four slices, and we are doing it under 100, so we need to divide it by 4, so each slice should have 25 value. Okay, we want to learn between this value, because we should be uh, on focus that the amount we have, it should not go above the 25. So we should do the lerp. Lerp is the lerp in this way. I will show you what lerp is doing. Linearly interpolates between a and b based on alpha 100% of a when alpha is 0 and 100% of b when alpha is 1. So it's mean that when you have this value alpha, and a and b will define from start point and the end point that we will that you want or we want to achieve. We want to keep this within the 25, the range should be within the 25, so we will keep this way, and we will bring this variable in reality engine so that we can put our own value as we want. Sometimes you can put 30 value here, whatever you want you can put them, just we will make it here as 25. So uh, uh, to create a simple setup, just put it here. Alpha should go here, and we have to keep them here. Okay, so this is the event begin play when you want it. Actually, this way we cannot bring this animation in reality engine, because it will begin play and there is no event to bring in a reality engine. So what we will do, we will disconnect from here, and we will create custom variable, sorry, custom event, and this custom event will be play, sorry, play pie chart. This is custom event, and on event begin play, so you want to attach it here, we want to play the chart, And to bring it reality engine, we need to create a function play chart, sorry, play chart, and this function will be here. What is this function? Is this function that we are doing it. Okay, I put it here because I also wanna animate on when the event begin play. That's why I put it here, but otherwise you don't need this one. And bring it here. That's why I put it, because when I start I wanna animate this. Okay, we have only one material assigned and we didn't assign other materials. That's why it's completely black, showing as gray. This was yellow and this was green. We need to put green material, and this one was orange, so we need to put orange material. This one was blue, we need to put blue material. Okay, now you can see we have materials here. Okay, as I said, to bring it reality engine, you need to, if you want to change the value in reality engine, you need to bring it in. You can see you can play from here now, but you want to add it, I want to edit these values. I want to get these values control here. As I said, we need to bring the variable in a reality engine. So these values we want to make them as we want to create as a variable to them for them. So how are we gonna do this? We're gonna just rename yellow for yellow and green for green, or orange for orange, blue for blue. We have 4 variables. Bring it here. They all are exposing. They will be exposed because the event is, they all exposing here. Yellow should went here, green should went here, and orange then blue. Now you can add them in reality engine. Now you can add them in reality engine. So you can see we have values, and this is disappearing because we need to describe the value. That's why it's not showing here. See, when you play it's nothing because we have now control. You can see now we have 25 as you want, and it's up to you how much value you need. But whatever your pie chart is, if you have more than 100, you can have many values to put it as you want. It's desirable. So when you have 50, so these 3 value divided by, these should be divided in 3. So 50 not 50, it will 20 20 20 20, sorry, 20 20 20. These we have 60 now, and we can make it 40. You see we have, it will work this way. Okay guys, so for now this value is this video is over, and for the next one I will show you how you can attach widget with these values. Whatever the value will be, this will show here, and you can animate them with your pie. And what other thing I need to show you here. I'm trying to see what I can show you, whatever uh, well, if you want to do this, if you don't want to do that by name, you can do it with the the index. The index will be the same thing. There would be nothing important in it, because they are the same one, same thing to do. Name and slices, you can get them by name, you can get them by index. Okay guys, for now it's over, and I will see you in my next video. Please try to tell me if you have any suggestion for my videos, because as I said, I have just started, and in future I will make not just reality engine, I will make the videos about Unreal Engine, because I can understand that few things are very important to understand when you jump into Unreal Engine. Most are these variables, how the variables work, and how you can set them or get them. Everything in classes, structures, in data types, data tables and structures, or there are many things I will show you in my coming future videos. Please ask me whatever you have to ask, and I will try to answer them. About anything, if you have separate question about Unreal Engine, not just Reality Engine, you can ask me. I will try to give them answer in the best way as I can. Thank you guys, have a nice day, take care.